this depression lasting long? Wondering what I've done wrong. Oh, just tell me, where have all the good times gone? Where have all the good times gone? All right, let's learn this song by the Kinks. Really great pop song. G, F. Play the F like this if you want. I think they are using a lot of open chords because you can just hear it. When I play it with bar chords, it doesn't. It sounds a lot darker. So I think that's because they're playing. One of the guitars is playing the open chords. G. That's like the verse, most of the verse, and the chorus. But it starts out with the introduction. So the introduction is G, F, D. And then it goes into the verse. And the verse is G, F, G, F. That continues for quite a while. I think so. You go back and forth like 4 times. And then goes to C. Wondering if I've done A minor wrong. G. Will this depression last for long? To D, just like the intro. Then you go into the chorus. Just tell me, where all the good times gone? There's no transition. They just go into the next verse. Once we had an easy ride, and always felt the same. Time was on our side. We had everything to gain. Could this be like yesterday? Is that me a happy days? Won't you tell? Oh, that is another verse. But there's nothing else in the song besides those parts I showed you. So have fun playing that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.